Welcome to my honest review of CashCentral, a platform designed to help individuals build and improve their credit. In today's video, I'll be diving into my full experience with CashCentral, giving you an in-depth look at its features, services, and overall usability. Whether you're looking to build your credit score from scratch or just want to improve your current standing, CashCentral offers a range of tools to help you on your journey. The sign-up process is straightforward, and the website is user-friendly. Once you create an account, you'll gain access to various loan options that can help you manage and improve your credit. CashCentral provides personal loans with flexible terms, making it easier for you to pay back and stay on top of your finances. Throughout this review, I'll walk you through how the loan process works, including interest rates, repayment schedules, and what to expect when using their platform. I'll also give you my honest opinion on what I liked and disliked about the platform, so you can make an informed decision. CashCentral's credit building features include credit monitoring, tools to help you track your credit score, and personalized recommendations based on your financial situation. These features are designed to guide you through the process of credit repair and improvement, all while offering transparent and easy-to-understand terms. Is CashCentral worth it? In my experience, it definitely has some advantages, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Watch until the end to hear my final thoughts. If you're interested in learning more about how CashCentral can help with credit building, or just want to know whether it's the right fit for you, make sure to stick around. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on improving your finances.